With declining COVID numbers, we can look forward to easing restrictions in the fairly near future.
The Premier believes a great summer is ahead for Albertans thanks to a massive uptake in vaccinations.
2.2 million doses have now been administered, meaning 49% of Albertans of the age of 12 and older have now received at least one dose.
Jason Kenney says a clear reopening plan will be unveiled likely next week. But unlike Saskatchewan, it's not just tied to the vaccination rate, but also our hospitalization and ICU rates, which are at an all-time high.
We currently have more than 240 people in our general systems ICUs across the province, including those who have tested positive for COVID-19. That is easily the most ICU patients that we've ever seen in our healthcare system.
Hospitalizations are always a lagging indicator, which means you expect those numbers to rise in the coming weeks. And while they can create up to 425 ICU beds,
our biggest current challenge, though, is staffing these additional spaces. And this is certainly more difficult than the first and second waves. And as mentioned, our physicians and staff are understandably exhausted.
While the healthcare system prepares for another couple weeks of rising cases, many look beyond that time to when there is some form of herd immunity and the possibility of easing things like mask wearing.
That policy shift to look at allowing more activity when people are fully vaccinated is going to be something we do as a population and not as individuals, again, because that's only possible with some kind of objective proof.
In Calgary, Tara Overholt, City News.